My name is Sunil Shajiv, and I applied to January in my third year of college. And now I finally got to NUS, Singapore. So I've got admits from UK because that was my prime location usually. So I got it to University of Bath, Warwick, uh, UCL. I got registered in Imperial, and now in Singapore, I got into National University of Singapore. I got scholarship from University of Bath and Warwick. I am waiting for apply to scholarship for National University of Singapore. So from the start, I would like to start from GMAT where I started preparing. I used to come here for offline sessions and it was pretty great. Both the quants and the verbal, both the teachers helped me out a lot. Not just in the center, I used to test them in the night. I used to get replies for queries. So I gave 2 attempts of GMAT and the second attempt hopefully turned out fully. After that, I started applying to universities. I was given full support from January, including what kind of universities to apply according to my score and my profile in general. I was given an entire list of colleges that I could apply, and then ultimately started applying where UK admits started and Singapore admits started. So we started applying. Ultimately, we got results. So that thousand year Trishna, she's really nice. She's very kind because there have been times I've been irritating in them when am I going to get the results, when I was supposed to apply because I'm very anxious that way. But she was very supportive throughout. She also helped me with the documents, with how to write my LORs, how to write it, so etc. I think the constant support I got. So after I did not go to a first attempt, I went to my teachers again and they told me the strategy to start from again, which was different from the first one. So I think that was a pretty good move. Okay. Oh, Bobby, response. I see really stuck at it even now. But thanks to Sir, he has helped me on that, going through each and every question twice and asking him downloads, etc. So it helped me a lot, even data itself. I'm not the best at it. Yeah, I was pretty satisfied with my application essays because I got them corrected to ISO thrice according to my college requirements. And they were ready to do so. My writer, I think Paru was my writer, and she helped me a lot how to even tailor it when I do it, not just her. But the application essays, not really. In the start, maybe because I was not able to articulate the right information that my writer needed. But then we had a word and we got through that. Oh, I had joy, tears of joy. Oh, yeah. Specifically when I got into UCR and NUS because I did not think that they will turn out for me. But when I got these specific emails, I really had joy. Uh, I would say start building the profile as soon as you can. Include, ask people what exactly you need for your course because what I learned is every course requires a different kind of profile and it's not a generic one. And I got to know a little late because I came to January, then I got to consult my counsel so it is take. So that was a process that I would like to. Uh, it has been very great, honestly. I would like to recommend it to people who also want to pursue, go for MBA. I am going for MSc right now. In this, I did not go for work experience, but even after work experience, I feel that people in corporate job we do not have touch with studies. So January is a perfect case for that. It bridges that gap. So it's a very good place to be, and they help you throughout. Even I have to start my visa process, and even Jamboree is helping me back. So it's great overall.